y'all. I just want to pop on here real quick and do a little unboxing. I received my cherry on top order today. It's gonna be a surprise for you and me, because I don't remember what I ordered. A good old time here. Look at that. Well, that just looks spooky right off the bat, huh? Those are like some Halloween colors. I am slowly building my Distress Oxide collection. I love using these. I use them all the time. So I'm just kind of trying to pick colors that I don't already have, and I have found myself needing a purple lately, and the only purple I have is like a lavender. And then this is a color that Heidi uses a lot, and well, whatever Heidi does, I want to do, right? So those are my newest for my collection. All right, as always, a cherry on top packages their orders so fabulously. My mail carrier is not the best, and there are times when packages are ripped. There are times when packages are maybe left on my driveway. Yes, I'm not even joking, y'all. He's left it laying in the middle of the driveway so that somebody could literally run over it. But the goodness on the inside is always just safe and sound because of the fabulous employees at a cherry on top. Love them so much. Okay, like it's actually a little bit too done. Get out of here. But your paper won't bend because they put it on nice cardboard. They do such a fabulous job of packaging. I promise, there's stuff in here. Oh. Like half the video is me trying to rip open a bag. I'm excited for what I'm working on here. Okay, here we go. Finally got it. Honeybee stamps. This is their new spring collection, and I've been eyeing Honeybee for a while, and I am loving this. So when I am doing pocket pages, which I have a ton of these to catch up on, I have a lot of really old Studio Calico things that I received or that I went and got when they had an amazing warehouse sale, but it's been a really long time and I've worked my way through a lot of those. But these are very reminiscent of their 4x6 paper pads that I love to use in my pocket page scrapbooking. So I love the muted colors, and you can kind of throw in other ephemera and stuff like that to go with all of these gorgeous colors. I think I'll use that a lot. All right, have a couple of assignments for a cherry on top design team that are coming up. So I wanted to grow my hot foiling system. I have the glimmer hot foil, and Pink Fresh has so many fun things. So I just wanted like a cute little sentiment that I would use a lot, and I think I'll use the word sweet a lot. This is, I think, maybe what I'm most excited about now that I'm actually remembering what I ordered. The new Prima collection, Painted Floral. Let's like just open this real quick. That's why you're here, right? Guys, I know maybe a lot of people will probably feel like this. Like, Prima is not something that I am super like adept with using. It's always completely gorgeous, but I do struggle sometimes to use all of the florals, but I couldn't say no to this collection. Like, it is stunning. The colors is what gets me, and it looks tropical, and like tropical color vibes are just like a jam. Oh my gosh, seriously? Sorry, this whole video is me like opening stuff. So gorgeous. But also like the B-sides of this paper are fabulous. Like, this is beautiful, and I will probably use it maybe once or twice, but I struggle with this. With this, I'll use this like all the time. This stripe, I love these little cut aparts. This is fabulous. Oh, this, oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. Obsessed with this. I'm a big orange fan. This is stunning, gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Love that print. These are gorgeous. These will be fussy cut, of course. Oh, perfect. Like, every color here is gorgeous. I just want to go to a tropical island right now. So I also got the ephemera that goes with that collection. Does it say who designed this? It does not say who designed it. but if you know, holler down in the comments because this person deserves a shout out. This is phenomenal. This might be my favorite Prima collection I've ever seen before. It has some gorgeous moths and butterflies, and some florals. One time we went on a cruise, and one part of one of the excursions was to go to this like greenhouse where there were all these like butterflies as big as your head, and I'm not gonna lie, they were a little bit creepy, but I digress. My kid was with us, and he's a little afraid of a lot of stuff, and he was not a fan. So this is new to the store, and it was only like $2, and it went well with the colors in Painted Floral. So I just grabbed one. It's like you punch them out, so they're like die cuts, but you punch them out. But there are a lot of cute little birds, and I am not a bird fan, okay? Like, if you know me in real life and you're watching this, you're probably like, what are you doing? You hate birds. And I do hate birds. But I love a good tropical bird on a page. And I have a few other bird things that would go really well with this. So I need to finish up some stuff, y'all. Some summer stuff. So I was looking for... Drop something. I just had a couple more dollars to spend, so I grabbed these little puffies. I love small puffies, again, for pocket pages or for like my live crafted albums. So they're travel themed and maybe like a little bit of summer theme. But I'm working my way through our road trip live crafted for last year, so these will be really fabulous for that. And they're like a very muted color scheme. They'll go with a lot of stuff. Love, love, love. 49th and Market rub-ons. Obsessed with them. So I wanted to build my collection again. So I grabbed these. They have butterflies and turquoise. They have navy blue florals with a butterfly. Doilies. Some mint doilies. Some words. I love to do these on mixed media backgrounds. And then some of their little splashes. Love, love, love. Can't get enough of those. They work beautifully. Two more things. Okay, so another thing that you'll see coming up from a cherry on top soon as a project using these florals. These are super cute. I love Pink Fresh Studio. I literally have noticed lately when I tag stuff on Instagram, like I'm tagging Pink Fresh in almost every single thing I make. I just love all their stuff. I'm like their biggest fan. And I don't even make cards, and I feel like they're predominantly for card makers, but I mean, I make cards sometimes, but I'm not a card maker. But anyway, I digress. These are gorgeous. And of course, I always love a good coordinating die. So you'll be seeing lots from me on here. I'm not a big colorer either. So we'll see what we do with these without really like Copic. Last thing I'm super excited about, you guys. So I got this. It is a chrome precision plate for my Sizzix. And so I know there's like a big trend, I guess. There's a few different companies that have out like a plate that's not going to warp. And so I use my Sizzix Big Shot all the time. And so I wanted to try one, and I did a little research, and this one is really affordable. It was only about $25, I think. And the other ones are an investment. The other ones are like $60-ish. So I thought I'd give this one a try, see what happens. It's supposed to be really good at precision cutting your thin dies, which is basically the only dies that I have. I think that I literally only have thin dies. And it's supposed to prolong the life of your dies. Anyway, I'll do more about that later, maybe a little like review, but it's real heavy, and I'm also excited to not like waste a lot of plastic. I'm sorry about the dogs barking in the background. To not have to use as many of those plastic shims, I'm really excited about that too. Like, save the turtles, y'all. All right, thank you guys for watching. That's my haul for this month at Cherry on Top. I'm going to put my affiliate link down below if you would like to go pick up all of these things, because I recommend them all. They're gorgeous, and I can't wait to start playing. I'm going to go do it now. Bye.